I think count or sum is one of the most simple yet complicated things in data science or data analytics. Nobody really sat anyone down to explain. But let me tell you, when should you count? When should you sum? And this is for if you're doing a numerical variable analysis. And sometimes it can be very confusing. Now, let me give you an instance whereby everyone has an ID called 101. Somebody also has an ID called 102, 103, 104. Now, it will be very wrong of you to sum that ID because there's doesn't it doesn't make any sense to sum like an ID. Like it's an ID, right? That ID could have literally been M101, M102. So if it's an ID or a unique identifier, a good number of time you're not summing it. What you're doing is you're counting. So because what happens is we want to count 1011, 101, 102, that's 2, 103, that's 3. But if you do 101 plus 102 plus 103, you're going to have 303. So literally you are having a wrong number. And one way that could also help you is when you look at the summation and you're like, this number is not adding up. So that's one way. And sometimes I guess what is the most confusing is actually count a good number of times are always accurate, but some things that you're supposed to count, you mistakenly will sum them. So anytime you're doing like an aggregation, one of the things you want to make sure you're doing is, am I counting the right thing I'm supposed to count? Also, the things I'm supposed to count, hope I am not summing them. Let me know if you've had the old question one time when you're working on a brain, like, oh, should I count or should I sum? And I hope this helped you in your next data analytics project. And I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye.